Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life. We're at Kato Pyrgos bird house, doing a little film while we're here, so you can see it. And as you should be able to hear, the peacocks are making a lot of noise. Right, I've had a wander around already, so I have a bit more of an idea of where to go with the camera. These are the peacocks in here. They were putting on a display a minute ago, but they've probably gone all shy now, so if I go dashing back there it's because they're showing off. I've no idea what these birds are, but they're very interesting. There's a nice brown duck. These are pretty things. Hello, you! I don't want to get too close because these birds have long beaks. It's not all birds here, I'll just quickly show you. You have to excuse lighting if it gets a bit dim. Oh, the kangaroos here. When I was here, it's a very shy kangaroo. These funny looking things. So yes, to get here, you basically go to Kato Pyrgos and find a sign pointing to the bird park. Or you drive up to Kato Pyrgos and come back via the church, and it's that way. This will all make a lot more sense once we publish our third road trip ebook, because we'll include this in that. And this indeed is the last thing I have to photograph before I can finish that off, so the end is in sight. Go on, peacocks. Oh, one of them's showing off. Two of them are now. See, there's a white peacock there as well. I don't know if you can see that from this distance. And a more traditional peacock up here. If I walk around, they may stop as soon as I get there, but they might continue carrying on. Yes, that's... Oh, here we go. A bit of a show off here. That's a good shot, that, because there's two of them. Look at that. There you go. And there's the white one. I'll just go up here as well. It's a fairly small place compared to, say, Paphos Zoo, but it's well worth a visit if you're in the area. And it's not just birds, as you can see here. We've got some nice deer. A little baby one in there. Don't want to disturb him. Look at that. If you can see it. Baby Bambi. Ooh. That's what I sound like after a curry. Got some goats up ahead as well. Let's try and film what that is making that noise. Some donkeys in here. And here's the goats, and there's a little baby one. When I was here on my initial walk around, before I filmed, there were some goats outside as well. Hello. goat on a boat. There's a sales pitch for you. Should be in advertising. And finally there's a donkey up here to give us a nice view of the whole park as well. There you go. Oh, he's rolling once his tummy tickled. Sorry mate, don't do tummy tickles. And there's the valley where you'll find this nice little park. Oh, someone wants their nose patted. If you're looking for a sugar lump or a carrot, I'm afraid you can forget it because I haven't got any. And I wouldn't give you a sugar lump anyway. Anything to say? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Happy donkey. Oh, you want some as well, do you? Look, I've come to a bird park. Spent too much time on the donkeys is a bit rude for the birds. So I'm going to pat your nose and go. Okay? Have to go that way. Take your pointy horns with you. I'm showing off here. I can climb up this that you call. Oh, it's very impressive. Meh. Ooh. So I'll come around this side and I think that'll be enough. There's a peacock showing off again. So there's a variety of animals here, it's not just birds. But if you like birds, and especially if you know your birds, which I don't, apart from that's a chicken, that's a duck, basically I can identify stuff that I can eat. Other than that, now, technically I could eat these, but that's not what I meant. I can identify stuff I can buy in Sainsbury's or Papantonio's. And there's ferocious guard dogs on duty as well. Let's have a look at that. Last word to the pooch. Good dog. And another one. Yes, if you're not careful, they'll have your leg off. Okay, so that was the Kato Pyrgos Bird Park. Have a visit if you're in the area. See you.